Thinking of building a dock, but not sure where to start? The Dock Shop has you covered. Introducing DIY Dock Kits by the Dock Shop. Our modular dock kits are designed to take the guesswork out of dock building. No tedious material lists, no endless trips to the hardware store. Just everything you need in a simple kit format. Here's how it works. Let's say you want a 12 by 12 foot dock with 16 feet of walkway. First, we'll break this down into separate modules, a 12 by 12 platform and two 4 by 8 walkways. Modularized floating docks are not only easy to configure, but also adapt more readily to fluctuations in water level and other environmental factors. With our project defined in modules, now it's as simple as finding a Dock Shop DIY kit for each module in our plan. 3 modules equals 3 kits equals the easiest project planning you've ever done. Congrats, you're a dock building pro. Each kit comes stocked with all the high-quality hardware and floats required for the stated dimensions and freeboard. All hardware is made from 1/4 inch galvanized steel to ensure durability against the elements. And each kit is exclusively outfitted with Eagle floats, the highest quality float on the market. The only thing you supply is the lumber and the decking screws. Every kit starts with 4 sets of corner hardware, including an inside bracket, outside bracket, and the required carriage bolts. Next, the kit is stocked with a predetermined number of angle brackets and corresponding washer plates for each joist required for the stated dock size, assuming joist spacing of 16 inches. Finally, each kit comes with the optimal size and count of Eagle Float dock floats and attachment hardware required to achieve balanced flotation at your target freeboard. Okay, so let's talk freeboard. DIY dock kits by the Dock Shop are designed and sold by Float Freeboard, taking all the guesswork out of the process and ensuring standard flotation levels between modules. Float freeboard refers to the distance between the top of the float and the water line, excluding the dock itself, so you'll want to factor in the height of your framing and decking to confirm the total freeboard of your dock. One final note on freeboard: variations in lumber weight and other environmental factors may result in a freeboard slightly higher or lower than the stated target, so be sure you're comfortable with a little wiggle room. Once you've selected your kits, there's only one final consideration: connection. Each module in your design will need to be connected so that your dock can act as a cohesive system, and the Dock Shop Connection Kit does just that. 2 sets of male and female connectors are linked together by hitch pins, making for a durable and flexible connection. A standard project will require a connection kit between each module, and a final kit for connection to the shoreline if required. Due to the varying nature of each project, the Dock Shop connection kits are sold separately from the DIY kits, so be sure to figure the proper count of connection kits into your plan. And that's it! While no 2 projects are exactly alike, DIY dock kits by the Dock Shop are designed to simplify the building process and help you bring your ideas to life. You can find assembly guides, buoyancy charts, and other support resources on our website at www.dock-shop.com. Still have questions? Simply reach out to our team via phone or email and we'll be happy to assist. Ready to build your dream dock? Come check out our DIY dock kits and get started today.